Hello class, are you ready for a new story? For our new story today, we are going to work with some of these words. So, if you are ready, we are going to read them first. So we go wet, wet. This is wet. Jet, jet. A jet is a very fast plane. Web, web. This is a web, like the ones the spiders have. Let's go for this color. This is color red, red. This animal here is a hen. And this object that you have in your house is a bed. Okay, let's read the words. Wet, wet, red, red, jet, jet, hen, bed, web. These words are not so easy to read, so let me help you. All, fall. To, go, the. Let's do it again. Fall, to, go, the. This is the story of Peg the hen. This is the hen, and the name of this hen is Peg. Peg is a red hen. Peg gets set to go. Peg gets in a jet. The name of the jet is the egg. The jet is fast. Peg gets wet. The jet gets in a web. Peg falls and falls. Oof, Peg falls into bed. The end. I hope you like the story. Bye.